Hi everyone, in this video I'll be preparing pork with mustard leaves, and the second dish is pork fry. First let's go and harvest the mustard leaves. The ingredients are mustard leaf, lai shak, a piece of ginger, garlic, bhut jolokia, and pork. Let's start preparing it. I've already heated up a wok. Put the pork. Put the bhut jolokia, garlic, half a ginger too, half teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit of chili powder, optional. Salt to taste. Let's put hot water. Put enough water. Cover it and cook it until the I've been cooking the pork for 35 minutes. Now let's put the mustard drink, lai shak. Already my pork curry is done. It's cooked. Let's garnish it with coriander leaves. The ingredients for sticky pork fries are half kg of pork, onion 1 large onion, ginger, garlic 2 tablespoons, a Szechuan peppercorn, a kaffir lime, and 1 bhut jolokia. Let's start preparing it. Heat up a wok. Let's put the onion. Cook in medium flame. Medium flame that no recipe objective. Once the onion is soft, then I'll put the ginger garlic. Cook in sim, low flame. Salt to taste. Little bit of turmeric powder. Little bit of chili powder just for color, little bit only, because I've already put bhut jolokia. Put water and cook until done. Ising kangre. The gravy has reduced. Let's cook it just for 2-3 more minutes. And my sticky pork fry is also done. Nab lao na thong mani si pork ti. Garnish it with fresh ginger. It's done, ready to be served. Already, morok yam satak taw ni si mani kasi. Pork with mustard leaf, hanggang ga oksado ire. This is my salad. Pork fry, fermented soya bean with fresh bhut jolokia, boiled cabbage. How is it again? Let's start enjoying the dishes. Let me use my hand. Super. This is amazing. How represent the mustard leaf has absorbed all the flavor. and pork fry. Morocco croissant fry tawni yam hawre. This pork fry is very delicious. It's spicy. Mấy đã đang xin hết. Anh xin một sàn nữa nhé. Trên bàn nó lôi xả đấy. Rồi rồi hảo ấy. Hoa giá sẽ fresh. Umro kami ito na. Ito din hảo đấy. Moi Korean style là pork yong là cha biển nhé. Hawai da mit su krab ke. Sanam ma su hap ke. Tunin ko mana su krab. Yong là cha biển nhé. Hảo ấy. Yong là sao cho hảo ấy. Thôi dân ạ. Kobe si queen put the do yam how I boil the cabbage just for a short period, so it's very sweet and crunchy. How man bida wangang masangde. Asi pork fry si am sam mani try to yam how hay bo ma cha hay so hay pork su fry phen taw min how phen na to de hay bo hum cha bi tal le do fry taw di phen how pork sa fry taw min Ahora may tare may put everything yung nasa yam ka Hanggang sa siya nung sira. Oksa hanggang sa. Oksa hanggang. Duga hawai da met pa. Ya dur di loy kari atai dan ka tal. Dur ri thang tha da sa ba. Hangam na hen hao re. Yum na sa si interesting nga mo yan. For wrapping today I'm using mustard leaf. You can use either cabbage or lettuce. Little bit of the fermented soybean salad, clove of garlic and fish mint. Wrap it up nicely. It's so big, difficult to eat. Yam ni sao ni yom su sa bi yang buai. Apik ko di yom ye. Hawai da ti yam sa ni. Hả? Howry, isn't it? Sampai sih, mai maku ngau vừa xa đi, nhà cũng á. Xin bảo cho họ bạn. Ngasi si wide loisinjage miyambu thagatsani. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and click the bell icon as well. Bye.